past few years, India has built a rich base for maps using the detailed topographic surveys, geological surveys, soil surveys, cadastral surveys, an inventory program of various natural assets and the remote sensing image. These spatial data sets or map information obtained using high-resolution satellite images, global positioning system and through Geographical Information System or GIS is very accurate. That is the reason spatial data sets are being used in almost all major development projects at the national level as well. In India, remote sensing, GIS and other geospatial technologies are prominently playing its part in policy making and development. But keeping large projects in mind, continuous work on better maps and spatial technology is required. Geospatial technology is all set to play a considerable role in almost every major national program, including Digital India, smart cities, transportation and highway development, river linking, industrial corridors, smart power, and agriculture in the country. Spatial information is being used to upgrade and simplify existing business processes through new technologies such as IoT, artificial intelligence, cloud, wireless and broadband, and big data. In a competitive global economy, data analysis using GIS is comprehensively making a mark in successful decisions.
India is at the cusp of another technological and development curve, and in its drive for inclusive growth, social equity and development, a major requirement would be to re-engineer many systems and processes. Geospatial information will be one of the important elements which will be helping in the concept of unified information infrastructure.